I just got this in the mail and I'm going to unbox it. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure that you know from seeing the title in this video. I am on my boyfriend's desk because this is a fairly large package. Let's see. You can watch me struggle trying to open the bag. Came in a box. It is a squish box. Okay. Diamond painting private custom. Diamond mosaic painting. Alright, alright, alright. Where's that from? Alright, alright, alright. Matthew McConaughey? Something like that. Okay, I'm filming a video. Let's see how it's packaged. It's on a foam roller, drills. Ooh, so here's the kit it comes with, one of those finger thingy-majiggers, tweezers, some 10 placer, 12 placer, 9 placer, a big chunk of wax, and a tray. I want to see this placer though. Let's see if it actually says. It is it doesn't say what kind of placer it is, but whatever. I like these things. These things are really handy. Drills. We'll look at these after, but I do like that they come pre-bagged. Just clear up this desk a little bit. And we'll open up the painting, which is, it's shrink wrapped. Is that what you call shrink wrapping? Or is it just, it's wrapped in plastic? I'm excited! Oh, okay. I know which one this is. I don't remember the seller though. So here is a picture. Thumbnail. It's a lighthouse. Nice little landscape picture. This will be the second landscape I've done. I don't actually usually buy landscapes or like search them out, but I saw this lighthouse, I saw the theme colors and got super excited. I believe this might be from Home Fun, but I can't say for sure. I'll figure out and put it in the title to this video. Let me just move this stuff. Okay. I'm just going to pull this up to flatten it out a little bit. If it's going to let me. Oh, on a foam roller, which is nice. The canvas looks pretty good. No dings or anything from shipping, which is great. Just gonna do this and then I'll pull it all the way back so we can see it in all its glory. Just so it flattens out a little bit. There. So if you didn't know, you kind of just have to pull back this plastic sheet and then put it back down and it will flatten out. See how this side is all flattened out now? I'm going to do the same with this side. Boo, boo, boo. It is in 4 panels. It looks like double-sided adhesive. You can tell because it's stretched out. See this line here? It's actually stretched out quite a bit from the actual painting itself. So, and usually when they come with covers like this, it is double-sided adhesive. It's not cord glue, I guess. And then this one. There. So now it's laying flat. Where is the top? So this is top. I'm just going to pull it back so we can see some of the actual drill field. So all I'm doing is I'm not completely pulling off the plastic, or not plastic, the paper. I'm just pulling it down just a little bit so that we can take a look at the canvas. If you guys can see that. So here's the top 3/4 of the canvas. I just pulled it down just a little bit. You can see the lighthouse. Here's the moon, and then here's the beachy area. I really love the colors in this one, which is why I ordered it, and I don't have anything like it, so I'm pretty excited about it. We'll take a look at the drill field. Let's see. This is probably the best place. So, oh, it's interesting because, so even though the canvas is like this is the top of the picture, the drill field symbols are on, like, go landscape. So there's little hearts here, but they're pointing to the other side. So you're meant to work on this image like this instead of like this. The drill field looks good. I do hate these little, so there are training wheels. You can see them most clearly on like the check marks and the Y. And the training wheels just mean there's that little circle around it. So you have to line up your drills properly. And if your drills aren't the right size, then it ends up showing, the border to each circle ends up showing, which is really annoying. But I do love this image, and I love the size that I ordered it in, so I'm not going to complain. Oh, and then there's the seller's name. So I'm going to recover this really quickly. And I didn't pull it completely off because I knew that I wouldn't be able to get these to line up properly again. These 4 panels. So the seller is Evershine. The canvas is 40 by 50 centimeters. It's 40 colors. And then here's just a look at the symbols and the legend itself. It's nice that there's the number of color, the code for the drill canvas part, and then the DMC number, and then the quantity the quantity of each color. Did this come with a inventory sheet, I wonder? So it didn't come with an inventory sheet, but we'll take a look at the drills. And I mean, this is pretty much a good enough inventory sheet. I wish that they would be like, this is how many bags it is, but there's not. They don't have that. I'll just pour these out so you don't have to listen to wrinkling. Here are the colors. I'm not going to go through every one, but it looks like they have, so there's the DMC code. Oops. There's the DMC code. And then is that the number that it is? And then the number on here is that. And then that, I believe, is, yes. And then this number is the quantity within the bag. Sorry, my camera doesn't want to focus. That number is a quantity in the bag, and it's really helpful. It's good to know that they include more, because on the canvas itself it says you'll need 1,522 of this blue color, and then on the bag itself it says they've included 1,795. My camera doesn't want to focus. So that's really good. You do get extra. There doesn't seem to, oh, there's a lot of this color, 939, so I'm almost black. But I really love the colors. Look at this purple. This purple is so pretty. Seriously. So pretty. So I just went and grabbed my trusty diamond painting logbook. If you do want to make your own, I do have a video which I'll put in the little eye up here, how you can make your own, and you can follow the steps that I use to create mine if you'd like. So this is from Evershine Direct on AliExpress. I called it the Cute Lighthouse. I ordered it on August 25th, 2020, and it arrived today, which is September 11th. The cost was $14.41 Canadian, shipping was $6.95, and the total was $21.39 Canadian. And then here's a better picture of the thumbnail. Yeah, I really like this diamond painting. The only thing I don't like is the fact that it has training wheels on here, but that's okay. I can get over it. Hopefully they'll be covered up by the drills. I love all the colors. I love how they're all pre-packaged in Ziplocs, so then I don't have to put them into my containers, even though I probably will put them in my containers just because I like using them. But yeah, overall I'm happy with this canvas. It is on AliExpress. Here's the number here if you want to order it yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful to you and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, the big red subscribe button in the corner, and I'll see you guys in my next unbagging video or whatever video I put out next. Okay, talk soon. Bye!